Okay guys, snow's a-coming. This is the first year this old Dodge M37 is going to be on the road during the winter. So I figured it's time to put a driveline on it and check out the ARB front locker, make sure it's going to work okay. I went to a couple local driveline shops to have a driveline built, and nobody could actually do it without scavenging parts. I didn't want to do that, guys, so I went up to a place in northern Utah. I had them build my driveline, and it turned out good. We're going to go over it, and then we're going to go over the install and running of the driveline and check out the air locker. So here we go, guys. I just got this built at Tom Woods up in far west Utah. We'll take a look at this before I put it in. In fact, I just picked it up today. I ordered this thing Thursday, and Tuesday. Today's Thursday. I went and got it. They built it in actually one day. It was ready yesterday, but the paint wasn't dry on it, so I left it up there another day. We're going to take a look at the quality and what comes with the Tom Woods driveline here. Okay. He's Tom Woods. He builds drivelines for rock crawlers. All the rock crawler guys. Take a look, see what we got here. Let's stand it up. Make life easier. Okay. Oh, it's a heavy beast is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna lay this down here. Let's see what this is. This is the front driveline. Let's set it down here. Okay, let's take a look at this drive shaft. Any of you guys contemplating having a driveline built, let me recommend this guy. This is Tom Woods Custom Drive Shafts. He's in up in far west Utah. He's about a half hour from here. Anyway, I had these guys build mine. They build these for a lot of the rock crawler boys, and they stand behind their shafts here. So let's take a look at what I had built. I had a double cardan CV joint built. This will be a low vibration drive shaft. It'll work good for my angle on my drive line. And we're running a 1350 yoke on this end, or a U-joint. Those are the big boys. What we had to do is pull this yoke out of the 205 transfer case. This is not compatible, obviously, with the CV. So I bought this from Tom Woods. They make these in-house. This is a 32 spline for the heavy-duty 205 transfer case. It's the same seal diameter, you know, as the original. So this will be good, work good. These are you can't really buy these. I think they're obsolete now. The factory ones. So Tom Woods is reproducing them. They do a really nice job on them. So they've got these to fit about any application you want to run a double cardan joint on. It's got a ridged part there that will index in your CV joint just like that. So, and then 4 7/16 fine thread bolts will hold it on. Anyway, with the Tom Woods drive shaft, you get installation instructions with it, like you need them, you know. You also get maintenance instructions with it. It points out where all your grease zerks are, you know, on these, how to grease it, what grease to use, how often, etc. So stick with that. That'll help things out. And then you guys that want a drive shaft built, this is all the options. They have an option page. Whatever you want done on it, they can do. So okay, I just got the front driveline put in. I put the new flange yoke in the NP205 transfer case. Got it topped off with fluid. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is pick this truck up. We're going to run it on the front axle only while the rear axle's on the ground. I'll show you how we're going to do that. Let's pick it up. stand back, pick this up till the wheels are off the ground a little bit. We're good. Okay, let's look inside and I'll show you how we're going to accomplish this. Okay, got the front end, the front axle up off the ground. We're going to try to run this front axle only. Let me show you guys how we're going to accomplish that. I've got a twin stick shifter here. This one on the left, this runs the rear axle. This one runs the front axle. Okay, it's pretty much the same as a stock twin stick shifter in the M37. Except, guys, I'm running an NP205, new process 205 transfer case with this twin stick setup here. Now what we're going to do, let me show you how this works. We've got the rear axle, so we've got low range, high range rear axle. Say we're running in 2-wheel drive rear, we can pull the front in, so we're in 4 high, and we can go up to 4 low. And I can cut the front out. Let's put them both back to neutral. Now what I've done on this NP205, I've modified the shift detents on the shift rods that actually control the shifting on it. So what we can do, we can run rear high, front high, 4 high, or we can kick the rear out and run the front only, front low, front high. This could be useful, say you're going up a hill, your ass end sliding, you want to pull with the front and let your rear drag for a minute. Okay, you can just kick the rear out, you know, kick the rear to neutral, and you can continue pulling with the front axle, high or low. So this is kind of a neat setup. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start this old M37 up. We're going to run with the front axle only. So I'm going to make sure the rear shifter's in neutral. We'll put the front axle in high, so we're pulling in or low. We'll be pulling in low range with the front axle. Let me say, by the way, guys, when I did do this work on this these shift detents, I made goddamn sure we've retained our interlocks. So if we're in front low, we cannot go in rear high, and vice versa. There's no way you can run one in high, one in low. Obviously, you would grenade the 205 transfer case or start grenading parts on the truck. The interlocks have been preserved. Okay. Rear neutral, front low range. I'm going to put the shifter in second. No need for grandma gear. We're going to set the emergency brake. Okay, I'm going to run 3 scenarios on this, guys. What I'm going to do, first time I'm going to run it with just front high with the ARB locker off. This is the switch, by the way, for the front ARB locker. Okay, that engages it, that disengages it. First scenario will be with this off. Second scenario with it on. Then I'll come back and kick that off, and we'll evaluate how this thing works. So let's start it up and see if we are pulling with the front axle and make sure the rear is not engaged. Okay, clutch in, I'm going to start it up. Okay, I'm going to let the clutch out easy. Okay, and the rear, the front axle turning. Okay, over there, guys. Okay, we're in 2-wheel drive, front wheel turning. We're still differential action. Stop this flare. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put the ARB locker, lock the ARB in. Okay, now the big test here. I'm going to engage the ARB air locker. We should hear a clunk. Yep. I felt the clunk and heard it. So We're full spool up front. Let's go check it out. Locker's in. We'll try it lock to lock. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take the locker out now. Locker off. Okay. Okay, the locker is off now. Was a success. The ARB locker, it came in fairly smooth. We got a little bit of clunk. It disengaged very nice. So all in all, guys, it was a success. Drop the front end down. Yeah! Okay, we'll drop her back down. Okay, any of you guys contemplating getting a driveline built for your M37? These are the guys to get a hold of. This is Tom Woods, Custom Driveshafts. He's in Ogden, Utah. They have a 6-month warranty on their drive shafts, and they ship anywhere in the world, guys, so keep that in mind. So the front driveline works, the ARB works, we're good to go on the drivetrain. A couple more videos coming this winter. I'm going to attempt to build a tow bar for this. Also going to attempt to build a soft top for it. And we'll mount a Pioneer rack on the back. So, almost done. Oh, and one other thing we're going to do. I've got a set of correct decals here. These are the correct color USMC. I've also got some, let's see what else is coming down the road. We've got also this for the overflow on the gas tank. We'll be putting these on, peeling the old decals off. That's one reason I like decals, so we'll have a video on that. All right, gearheads, I'm going to honk this air horn and to end this video. There we go. See you guys later.